Your first New Year.
First one.
Yeah, what do you think, Penelope? Huh? Give me a little giggle. You woke up and said, I'm not going to sleep through this. Forget about it. I'm going to be up with my mommy and daddy and my uncle.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Who was that?
Who is coming over right now?
At 12 midnight.
Are you serious?
1 minute. 1 minute to go.
Hi. Okay, what's up? Cards declined?
Your card? It's your card.
Your card.
Why did you pay on my card?
Here's her account.
Yeah, you have to input the card, the thing. That's on the old card.
Uh, 11 seconds. 10 seconds.
You have to input the new thing. That's the old card on there, love. That's
Come here, man, you're missing it. Happy New Year. Here you go.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Here it is. Oh, ain't that nice?
Penelope.
Try to say it, bro.
Penelope.
Penelope.
What's that?
Happy New Year. Oh, who's he kissing?
Alright, bro. Happy New Year.
Oh, who's that? Happy New
I know,
Year.
I bet you do.
Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, you two.
Hello, Penelope. Happy New Year. Hello.
Happy New Year. 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 Mwah.
Happy New Year, bro. Love you, man.